20 plus years in the military, going through X-ray tech school, combat medic school, and then finally finishing up here. Transferred all my credits to Thomas Edison and finished up my bachelor's degree in applied science and technology with an associate's in business. It was awesome. The administration worked with me well because I was injured in country. So they worked with me to make sure that I had everything I needed, and all the teachers were very accommodating. So I love that. Don't sell yourself short. You can accomplish anything you set your mind to. Rome wasn't built in a day, neither was a degree. So step by step, one class at a time, anything can be accomplished. Thank my wife, my daughter, and my granddaughter who have been with me the entire time through all my surgeries to get back in somewhat good health.